So these are the ingredients that you need for a meatza. You need some of your mince. So you need mince, your soft cheese, salt and pepper, some mixed herbs. You can use just basil or just oregano instead, or whatever you prefer. Italian seasoning also does a brilliant job. And the idea here is that you're mixing the mince in with the cream cheese. It's a base, so you can rinse and repeat this with any of your favourite pizza toppings. Get your hand in so that it's like when you're making a pizza dough and then you want it to form a nice ball. And because of the amount of meat in this, it is actually really filling, more so than a regular pizza. And as you can see there, it looks absolutely amazing, and it's just ready now so that we can start lining the air fryer. And then the foil becomes your pizza oven tray. So I recommend folding it over and lining it to the shape of your air fryer basket. As you can see, we're using our Cosori air fryer, so it's very much a square air fryer. But I know there's some air fryers that are round, so you'll need to adjust it. And then pop it in there like that. And then once you've done this, it's time to add your mince to the air fryer. Now it's the art of pushing it all down to make sure it all sticks. Oh, and wow, doesn't that look fantastic? So after a quick hands wash, we're adding a layer of the tomato sauce to go over your pizza, and then we'll be able to get it on in the air fryer. So just use the back of the spoon to spread it all out. And then once you've done that, it's ready for air frying. I'm looking for 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit and 10 minutes. And then press start. And we've beeped. So let's see how the meat is doing so far. And wow, that's looking lovely. So you're doing this first so that the meat underneath can have a good starting point. And then after you've done this, you can add on your cheese and any toppings that you want. You could make yourself a Hawaiian pizza if you wanted. If you like your meat, there's nothing stopping you making a meat feast. But we tend to do ours more margarita-like, so we'll top ours with loads of cheese and usually some tomatoes as well. So there's the cheese layer. And then I love cherry tomatoes or any small tomatoes on top of the pizza. These are just some spare ones we found in our fridge that we've forgotten about. And I'm loving the colours on them. Spray with some olive oil. I don't know why I said that. And now a sprinkle with some oregano or some mixed herbs, Italian seasoning or whatever you have. And now it's ready to go back on. So place it back on. And you're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, for another 7 minutes or until the cheese is fully melted. And then press start. And we've beeped. So let's check on our meatza, shall we? Let's see what Dom's meatza is really like. Oh, wow. Isn't that a cheese fest? Oh, wow. I'm absolutely loving that. And the thing about it is that there's not actually that much mess in your air fryer because you've got it on the foil, and then you just need to leave it about 5 minutes to cool enough, and then you can slice it up and enjoy it. Right, it's had time to cool a little bit, and let's slice in and see what it looks like, shall we? Oh wow, all that melted cheese. Talk about food heaven. Absolutely looks fantastic. I mean, look at that. Now that is low carb heaven. And this is what we do normally when we've got some leftover mince in our fridge that needs using up and we just want something simple for dinner. We'll make this. It's just absolutely delicious. And I would say it's definitely in my top 5 of what Chef Dom makes me for dinner. So don't forget to pre-order yourself a copy of the Air Fryer Cookbook, available in both hardcover and paperback. And it's just brilliant for getting to know your air fryer. It's got 140 easy to follow everyday recipes. No fancy recipes that is just going to remain never cooked. It's everyday stuff like cooking chicken, chips, frozen food and all your other favourites. And of course, if you pre-order it now and you live in the UK, you're paying just £10 because it's on a pre-order price right now of just a tenner. As well as this, there's calories included in all of the recipes, making it easy for you if you're calorie counting. There's a fantastic vegetarian and vegan section if either of those diets apply to you. And it's just a brilliant all-rounder from us air frying for 10 years. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.